Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you close all positions into your interactive brokers. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to close all positions into your interactive brokers, you just simply have to open any of the web browsers into your computer and then open the site for interactive brokers. And after opening interactive broker site, just simply log in your account into there, and then this type of home page will appear. Now you just simply have to click into this trade option here, and after clicking into trade, this close positions will appear. Click into that close positions option, and then you can choose this all option into instruments here. Just simply choose all option into here, and then click to this close button down here. Then after doing this, your all positions will be closed into interactive brokers. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.